Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel today. In today's Roblox video, well, it is a video, but today we're going to be playing old scam games. First about scam games, you know it, Robux. It's very, yeah. Alright. I don't feel like doing this one for Obby Robux, so I'm just going to do this one, Robux like. What? 900,036k visits. Okay, we're gonna try a different one. This seems pleasing. Poke Cool Fan. I'm sure a Poke fan would never make a fake Roblox game. Thinking that a YouTuber fan would do that. Alright. Let's join up. Yes, let's join up. Let's join up. So, yes. Hey, man, where's the Robux? Oh, how did I not see that? Where's my Robux? Oh, hey, man. Hey, man. Dude, do you know where all the Robux is? I can't find it. Wait. Is that the Robux? Is that the Robux? Robux? Give me. Can I have it? Can I have it? Please? Please. Oh my gosh, how much people are in this game? What is going on? This much people in a scam game. What has Roblox become? So, when you create a game, it looks like the normal thing. Nothing has changed. They just give us one for these items, and basically nothing changed. Yep, nothing changed. Like, at all. Alright, we have more Roblox games over here. Just how I mentioned. Robux. Wait. What? What? Might as well join. Imagine if it gives me free Robux. I hope I don't get banned if it gives me Robux, because I spent a lot of money on a Robux account. And yeah, just please ban Evil Pooper 21. I'm sorry, but it's not my fault. You created a free Robux game, and it's not my fault. Bye. Alright. It seems to be raining Robux, and the game is just Robux by Evil Pooper 21. I imagine how slow my phone could be. Come on! Oh my gosh. Okay, we can get to a different game for this act. I can't believe. Ooh, no. That much visits. We're gonna play this than this one. Not really, seems weird. Whoa, Sutor gets big Robux. I need to see this. Beep City is a free Robux game. I didn't know that. Alright. Alright. Okay. Okay, so far, it's just a tycoon game. What the heck? And currently, I can't move because this game's physics sucks, and it's dumb. I can't even move. Would you really stay in this game for 35 minutes for 1 million Robux? Well, this is a bunch of crap. Real crap. Wow. I imagine scam games would have low visits. Next thing you know, this can be a Robux game. It's the dumbest game ever, and it has 2 trillion visits. Wait, well, how about that? 300 2020, or hunt free. Wait, what is this? No, I want Robux. I need Robux. Might as well check this out. Yo, bro, we got Spider-Man, Gamer Football, and well, this is crap. Again, like, just crap. Yep, everyone. Hello, everyone. I'd like to say that linking doorknobs and other planets is now illegal from now on. And Roblox here. Yeah, no one cares. My God. I have an eye patch? Well, you know that because I put on my character. Well, guys, this game gives out free Robux, so you should try it. It's awesome. But the amount of visits that it has, and it says robbing the Robux version, bank realistic NBC version. Man, whoa! I thought Roblox deleted ticks. Oh my God, I have to play this. I need to play this, dude. I need to play this. I need them Robux. I need them Robux, and I need them Taux. All right. But where do I rob the bank? Whoa, my God. Okay, there's nothing here. I imagine the jail would be more guarded. Honestly. Where's the bank? I want to get them Robux and Taux. I want to get them Robux, man. I want to get some Robux, bro. I want to get some Robux. I don't know what that was. Where is Robux? Oh my God. I'm sure this game was never meant for kids. Run. Oh no. Oh, that was gonna explode. Oh my God. I cannot laugh. I cannot stop laughing. Yo, man, why is there free Robux? Why is there free Robux laying on the ground? We never speak of this. Okay, we never speak of this. Hello, today we're playing Robux. Free. Read description. This is gonna be a lot of boring math. I don't care, let's play! Dang it. Okay, what do we play now? Ooh, free Robux, man. Bro, look at this. Oh my gosh. Sorteos de Robux. P3DRORIVVAZ. V3 actualization. Only. I'm bad at grammar. One playing. How about that? Sorteos de Robux. Is that Spanish or a different language? Or I don't know if you're just forcing me to make a bad name. Can't tell if it's either, but I don't know. Right. Oh my, comment down below if I should make another video with Star. She's my cousin. You saw me on this video. It was kind of funny. We never talk about the trolling orders video. Just don't comment down below. Come on. Come on. But this made by Z-Blarp. You think if a guy made a Spanish or a different language game, you think his name would be Spanish too, or a different language? Trying to find one more. No way. Free. What is all these scam games getting so much views, but free Robux? I need this. This is made by Diamond Swiper 9. My God, do not ever trust scam games. I'm just doing it for the comedies. I might even trust it. It gives me free Robux. It doesn't look like a free Robux game. Hey, look, there's all my gears. This is if you check my profile, this is my main character. I'm holding a basketball. Yes, sir. I would fly in. Just. Where's the free Robux, dude? I paid money for this, not really, but where's the Robux, man? All I see are these. Kind of look like bones. Alright, time to go to VIP. Oh, I can't. Not a problem. See, you can do that, you know? Somebody try to kill me with a pickaxe. Diamond pickaxe and a gun. I don't know what the gun name is. I just got this for my birthday. It's very sad. I got those for my birthday. La 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 la. I bought those for my mom's anniversary. Just giving out new balloons. That was for my big brother's birthday. Giving up another one. Oh. You're a fan of Preston Plays? You made me my balloon. What the heck? Man. Plus, where's the Robux? Where's the actual Robux? Come on, man. I expect the Robux. Come on, show me the Robux. Show me the dang Robux. I need Robux. What do I do without Robux? This game's completely off. Oh no. Oh yeah. But guys, don't ever trust scam games really bad. You might get your account hacked and you probably could lose your identity. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed everything I did for me by clicking that notification bell. Turn all, well not really if your mind doesn't allow you, but bye. Oh no. Oh no. Why? Man, do you know that I'm a YouTuber and they're trying to friend me? I'm sorry, I have to decline like I did to the other girl. Time for my daily duty. Whee! Ah, no! Stop! No! Oh, that's not good.